Mohammed ethule isinqumo lizwakale lithukuthele lithe kuthusa kakhulu ukuthi umsola angahuphuza amanga kangaka phambi kwenkantolo.
I have seen people lie, but the manner that he lied in this court under oath is shocking, to say the least.
Ijaji lithi umsola Ackerman ethula ubufakazi wayelokhu eziphikisa efuna ukuphindela njalo imibuzo.
The accused was evasive and he did not answer directly. Time and again questions would have to be repeated. On other occasions his answers to questions had no bearing to the questions, resulting in the questions being asked again. I can safely say that the accused's evidence was so poor and contradictory that it should be rejected, save where it accords with the state's evidence. This was a carefully thought out scheme orchestrated by the accused, whereby these victims were exploited by the accused in order for him to get an income and make a living from this trade. He is found guilty on these counts. Para 69, count 736, the charge relates to the rape of WS, a 14-year-old victim. This count relates to PK having had intercourse with the boy. The state submitted that this was done with the approval of the accused, who instructed WS to have intercourse with him. The accused denied that he told the boy to be intimate with PK. However, the conversation between PK and the accused on this score is self-evident. They discussed a 14-year-old boy who was coming to the accused soon. The accused is convicted on this count.
Ukhulumela uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi uPhini Mjonondwana ushayele ihlombe labo kade behlanganisa leli cala njengoba amanye akwezinye izifundazwe.
We preferred against him about 740 counts and he has been found guilty of 728. So that just shows you the amount of that this team had to endure, and what satisfies us as the prosecution is that today all our complainants will get closure.
Icala lihlehlisele umhlazi 18 kuNtulikazi wanonyaka.